The National Prosecuting Authority says justice has prevailed in the Duduzane Zuma case. He was found not guilty on charges of culpable homicide and negligent driving. In 2014, the businessman was involved in a crash with a taxi in which passenger Phumzile Dube was killed. Yanka Tolme has more on the story.
A free man. 5 years after the fatal accident, Duduzane Zuma no longer faces criminal charges.
There is no evidence to suggest that the accused firstly should have foreseen the presence of a puddle. The other two drivers didn't see the puddle of water, but we know that when the passengers alighted the minibus after the collision, the water was angled high and covered their shoes. And secondly, there is no evidence to indicate what step he should have taken to guard against aquaplaning. And in particular, no evidence is available to the court to find that the speed to which it might have been set a reasonable driver would have had to reduce his speed in order to avoid what eventually happened.
A relief for the Zuma family, but not the outcome Phumzile Dube's family had hoped for. AfriForum, which stood by the family, says while they're not happy, they respect the judgment. The NPA has also accepted the court's ruling, saying they believe justice has prevailed.
He was given a fair chance. That was what justice seeks to achieve, is for justice to be applied equally so, without regarding a person's social standing or status in society, and that has happened in this case.
Now it's the turn of his father, former President Jacob Zuma, to face a judge when he appears at the state capture inquiry next week. Yanka Tolme, Johannesburg.